So you go to our garden, and here is an ever-bearing mulberry. This is a papaya. This stuff, you can eat the leaves. So come over here. This is the bromeliad, and this is spiderswort. And here is some penta. Spiderswort spreads like a weed, but it's really cool. It's green on the top, purple on the bottom. And here, these pentas are really cool flowers. They come in all different colors. And here's our papaya. This is what a papaya looks like. It isn't ripe, but that's a green papaya. You can eat them like that too, but when they change color, that's a red lady. When they change color, they start to... Here's some pineapples, another penta, and some milkweed. Here's some dragon fruit. You can see it's like a vine-like thing. And then here's a prickly pear, which is right there. Be careful because its spikes are real sharp. Then here, right here, is a Mona Lisa banana. Look up in that flower. There's probably 14 bananas per flower, and there's like tons of flowers. So that'll give us like 180 bananas is what we've guessed. And so now come over here. Here's our garden tower too. It's a great way to grow plants in the air. And right here, we have an Everglades tomato. They're little tomatoes that grow good here. And now come over here. Here's an example of how the spiderwort spreads. And here's some milkweed. And there's a big pineapple. Some more pineapples back here, and this is called Jamaican sorrel. Jamaican sorrel is, you can make tea out of them when they're opened up like this. You just take the petals off and put them in hot boiling water, and you can make tea with them. It's a traditional Jamaican drink, and it's really good. So if you come over here, there's a turkey fig, which we have growing here. We have a banana back there, another banana right here, and then let's come back to our garden tower, and up here there's all sorts of different plants. So you can, there are all different kinds of plants. They're really good. This is lemongrass. You can make great tea with it. And now come over here, hi Reese. We have a nice Hawaiian tie, and we have rosemary. Rosemary grows really well here. And also, if you come over here we have some milkweed, and also here's some more pineapples and a lot of lemongrass. Now, you have to be careful because lemongrass can cut you bad. It's like worse than a grass cut, and it hurts really bad. But here are here are our other plants, and back here it might be hard for you to see, but right here there's some red watermelon, some yellow watermelon, which grows really well here. And whoa, what happened there? Well, something happened there. Now I'll show you up front more in our secret garden. Here, real quick, this is that's a cocoa plum. They're really tasty and stuff. Actually, though, that's a natal plum. They are good But we also have cocoa plums as you come up here. When you come up here, so cocoa plums are like, cocoa plums and nail plums, you can easily get confused, except their fruits are different. And now if you come in here, there's a hibiscus, where these flowers, you pick one, take this green part off, like that, and blow off the ants and eat it. It's all, the whole thing's edible except for the leaves and the stem. So here's another banana, some coconuts, and when you come over here, there's some more bromeliads here and here. Now here's some more dragon fruit, but I want to show you a real good example of it. Here's all our coconuts and some bananas. Some more coconuts. Then when you come in here, this is a secret little fort. And this tree over here, you see, it has dragon fruit growing up it. Up there, and we got our first dragon fruit off there. These are some, those are birds of paradise, white birds of paradise. Same with over there. Then there's some sea grapes. So come over here, there's this wild coffee. Don't try to make coffee out of it. And then a cabbage palm that we've been battling. If you cut it like this, they're super hard to cut, but then just keep cutting off its leaves, it'll slowly die. And then here it looks like a Christmas tree, I know, but this is actually, they grow really big, like those big trees over there. They're not casuarina palms, Norfolk pines. They're Norfolk pines, and they can grow huge, like way up there. And come over here, there's another Hawaiian tie, and here is a France pomegranate. This is a pomegranate here, and some more wild coffee. And let's come over here to see a big hibiscus, I think. It's really tall and big. Some more wild coffee and a banana. So that about wraps it up for this video.